Hi students, today you are going to learn about understanding secularism. In our India, different religion peoples are there. For example, here you are watching now. Who are that? Yes, very good. See, according to our Indian constitution, we are following our religion. We should not discriminate any religion. In this political, you may observe especially, okay, our government is not giving priority for the any religion, but it is giving for all religions. Why? Because we are uh, in India. Our India is a secular country. Here, Christians, Muslims, or Buddha, or Jaina, who are there maybe, they must have to follow according to the constitution. They have freedom. If they want to worship, or if they want to accept any god, they can worship. If they religion freedom also you may observe. If they want to accept any religion in our India, they can accept. Okay, signification of secularism, according that you may observe, democracy India says any country who are maybe that country uh, may follow according their laws, as well as our India also following our constitution. According that in the constitution already mentioned, already I have explained in first revision class na. Yes, they are important main 9 things are there. In that one is a secularism. So we should not discriminate any other religion. We must have to accept. We have to respect all religions. Okay, women's without women rights, you may observe in our India different kind of the religions you may observe. Okay, but every religion must have to be respected by us. Okay, according to the fundamental rights, you must have to see. There is also we have learned what they had to follow. Okay, I already said they have especially. Okay, you may observe what did I say first revision step. They have especially right to freedom of religion. Okay, now here you may observe according the 42 amendment, you may observe in our constitution secularism is mentioned. That's why our country is a secular country. Our country is a secular country. They have some of the symbols like this you may observe. Okay, you may observe according that in the world or in different places. Okay, but all countries are not secular countries. Okay, some countries may follow different methods according their constitution. But our India is a secular country. Our India government is giving respect to everyone. All are equal before the law. For everyone, is there free seats in government schools? They have all freedom in everywhere. You may observe in our India. Not only that, students, you observe different cultures, different patterns, different festivals, different their freedoms you may observe. According to the constitution, you may observe, student, all members who are living in our India, they have some rights, they have some powers. According that they may get justice. Constitutional amendment of India, if any changes is there, they will edit, accepted by the parliament, all both houses, and it will be accepted by the even president also according to the constitution formula. In the parliament they will discuss about any amendment, then they will change. The history of India Republic, 26th January 1950, you may observe here Republic Day we got. Why? Because the Indian constitution which is accepted by our parliament. Okay, if is there any changes, any amendments you may observe, we can change the Constitution of India list of all articles. So those days we have 395 and 395 articles and 12 schedules was there, but now just a little bit they have added. Okay, that all mixed in our constitution only. That all more explanation already you learned from first chapter only, but this is the revision class, that's why especially you are learning here. Main important three is what is secularism, why is it important to separate religion from the state, what is Indian secularism. This all only you are especially learning. Okay, is there any need for the law? Yes, constitution and need for the law. Yes, without the constitution everyone may not get to justice. You observe here the some act, according the act the bill will be passed, everyone will get justice. For this getting, those days our Indians, they have done different movements, different strikes, different dharnas, etc. Our Indians have done. Why? Because those days many people were getting problems. So Mahatma Gandhi started non-violence movement, non-cooperation movement also. You may observe. You may see also according the law everyone may get justice. Not only that, student listen carefully. Constitution, civil disobedience movement also were started by the freedom fighters. Through that our Indians got freedom from the Britishers. After the getting independence, after the preparing the law in the parliament, ourselves we are taking decisions, we are making some laws, rules and regulations. We may observe, student. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, the constitution which is giving more information upon the every department and every on the work and business. You may observe what articles, what okay schedules which are giving us more information. You may observe the Indian constitution grants a right to freedom of religion. So according that you may observe our Indian parliament which is giving more priority to everyone. Okay, acts according the articles. You may observe our all nation who are maybe they are getting freedom properly. Okay, listen carefully here. Important, what is secularism? Why is the important separate of religion from the state? What is Indian secularism? About that I will explain here briefly. Okay, introduction of secularism. What is secularism? Why is important to separate religion from the state? What is Indian secularism? Okay, students, listen carefully about this one. Okay, topics in this chapter. This is the main three. Okay, please tell me that are. One is what is secularism, what is India secularism, and next how Indian secularism different from the that of other democratic countries. Also you may observe this. Also three topics especially you may observe. According previous independent, before the independence people got okay on freedom. What is secularism? Secularism refers to this separation of religion from the state. Means right to freedom of the religion. We no need to follow according our nation. Everyone, those who are living in our India, they may follow according their own religion methods and patterns. Okay, they may develop their religion, they respect their religion. Not only that, student, India adopted a stratigraphy. You may observe. What you may observe? The India adopted a stratigraphy. of separation religion and state, you may observe. And secularism refer to the separation of religion from the state. These are the main three important things. The Indian Constitution graduated the right to the freedom of religion, and India adopted a strategy of separation religion and the state. Secularism referred to the separation of the religion from the state. In India, those who are living all are equal. There is no different Muslim, there is no different Hindus or Christians, etc. And next one, see here, why is it important to separation religion from the state? Listen carefully. The separation of the religion from the state power is important for a country to function democratically. You may observe almost all countries of the world, we have more than one religious group living in them. You may observe, for example, here Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Buddha, Sikh, Jaina, etc. You may observe this all. And all countries have more than one religion group. Okay, our India is not giving priority to only Hindus. Our India is giving priority to all religions. So that's why our country is a secular country. But Pakistan is giving only priority to the Islams. But Sri Lanka is giving only priority to the Hindus. And Roma, Italy is giving priority to the only Christians. Not like that. We are following secularism. That's why our India is a secular country. Here all group of the religions are equal before our Indian Constitution. There is always one group that is in a majority, you may observe. If the majority religion group has access to state power, that is could result in the tyranny of majority, discrimination, coercion, and at that time even the killing of the religious minorities. Okay, listen carefully. Next one. If majority religious group has access to the state powers, then they misuse their powers to other religions. That's why if is there more majority, maybe they will give priority to them. That's why it is misuse. That's why other religions they will get loss. That's why our country, our government, which is giving for all religions are equal before our Constitution. All we need to protect the freedom of individual to preach the religion of their choice. According their choice, they may live. Not only that, students, listen carefully. The individual should be free to exist from their religion, embrace another religions, or interpret religions teachings differently. You may observe these two reasons make the democratic societies to follow secularism. Okay, we are one. That is main of the concept we observe. Next one, what is Indian secularism? What is Indian secularism? According to the Constitution, a secular state must ensure that one religion's community does not dominate another, that some members do not dominate other members of the same religion community. See, those who are there one community, they may respect their religion, but they should not discriminate another religion person. For example, Christians are there, they have to respect their Christianity, but they should not discriminate another religion, maybe Hindus or Muslims or Buddha. We should not say any comments upon them. And India Constitution state that as India is secular state, it ensures that one religion community does not dominate another. Some members do not dominate another members of the same community. What is Indian secularism? You may observe according to our Indian Constitution, especially these all things. State does not enforce any particular religion or take away religion's freedom of the individual. Indian secularism works in the following ways. The Indian state does not support any one religion. Government officials and schools, laws, court, police, stations, etc. You may observe that the state does not enforce any particular religions or take away the religion's freedom of the individual. Like this, you may observe courts, police stations, schools, government officials, etc. You may observe. It does not interferes with religion's practice. It intervenes in religions in order to end social practice that violates the fundamental rights to the citizens. For example, Indian Constitution banned untouchability. Our government has stopped untouchability. So we should not do any discrimination among us. You are that caste, you are poor people, you are female, like that. We should not do any discrimination in the gender, in the caste, in the religion, or in the level of the richness. We may observe, student. And religion, student, again, the Indian state does not have support any religion. Government offices and schools, law, courts, police stations, and not allowed to promoted display any one religion. Okay, listen carefully. Not only that, in the USA there is a strict separation between the religion and the state. It means that neither the state or religion can interfere in the affairs of the another. In India, government space like law, court, police station, government schools, and officials not supported to the display or promoted any one religion. Isn't it or not? Yes, equality before the law. We are getting equality before the law. That's why all citizens of our Indians are getting justice. All our Indian citizens are getting justice. Okay, student, but in USA is not there like that. How is there? Yes, is there in the USA there is a strict separation between the religion and state. Strict rules and regulations they have, religion and state. Okay, students, you may observe these all things. What did you learn in this section? Yes, I hope you have learned what is secularism, why is it important to separate religion from the state, and what is Indian secularism. Okay, student, you must have to keep your mind these all important points in examination. You ready to write these all things. If suppose if I ask, at least you write your own answer. Secularism means we are not giving priority to any one specific religion. Okay, all religions are not equal before the secular country. You can write like that your own answer, so no problem. What is secularism? If you ask, you write at least 1 or 2, 3 points. India Constitution gradually right to freedom of religion. India adopted a strategy of separation religion and state, and secularism refer to the separation of religion from the state. Okay, it is not following one specific religion. Okay, now if I ask my own question, what priority one community people may get about religion? For that, if I ask, you write, one religious community does not dominate another. We should not dominate another, na? Yes, some members do not dominate another members of the same community. If you are there one community, in your community, if anyone will accept any religion, if you are there in, if in Hindu community, if anyone will accept Christian or Islam, that community members should not eliminate that who accepted Christianity, who accepted Islam. Okay, for him, they should not do any discrimination. So we must have to respect them, and we have to keep in our community. So that is our Indian law is saying. Why? Because our country is a secular country. Okay, I hope you must have to learn the all question answers from this chapter. Come live interaction, we will meet an online section with your ideas. Bye.